gaya mana kai sunanka.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. Sunana Adamu Yusuf.
My name is Adama Yusuf, from Niger State, Mokwa local government. A calamity befell us from Thursday morning to yesterday evening, claiming many lives. We submit to God's will, and whatever He chooses is best. We see this as a test from God, and even if we weren't in Mokwa, trials can find us anywhere. I've lost 9 people dear to me, with 1 found. My heart goes out to families who've lost loved ones. May the departed souls find peace. This is the location of my house. As you can see, the flood has swept my everything. As I speak, we don't even have clothes to wear and food to eat. We need support.
abin gan mai muna neman tallafi daga gare ku Allah ya taimake mu.